Before you register for CRISC, there are 3 things you must check: eligibility, prerequisites, and preparation. Knowing these can save you time, money, and a lot of stress. First, let's talk eligibility and prerequisites. You need to pass the CRISC exam, but that's not all. You must have 3 years of direct experience in IT risk management or information systems control. Not just any experience. It must align with CRISC's domains: risk assessment and risk response and reporting. Ask yourself, have you worked with risk assessment, responded to risks, or reported on controls? What does CRISC really test? 4 main areas: governance and risk identification, risk assessment, risk response and reporting, and control monitoring. It's about knowing how to identify risks, assess their impact, respond to challenges, and monitor controls. Think of it as the practical toolkit for managing risks within organizations. Ready to prepare? Here's your simple study roadmap. Step 1. Learn the core concepts. Step 2. Practice scenario-based questions. Step 3. Review your weak areas. Step 4. Take mock exams. Get familiar with the language and logic. Practice scenario questions. Review what confuses you. Take mock exams. See your progress along the bar as you move from concepts to confidence. Let's make it interactive. Quick check. Do you already have 3 years of risk experience? Yes or no? Which part feels hardest? Concepts, practice questions, or managing your time? Drop your answers in the comments and connect with others who are preparing too. Comment CRISC, and I'll share a simple preparation checklist with you. Don't forget to subscribe for the next video, a domain-wise breakdown to make CRISC even simpler. You've got this.